to go to one very nice institution for your post-graduation or MBA करेंगे. Some of you have appeared in CAT as well, right? CAT, MAT, JAT, CMAT भी दे रहे हैं आप लोग, दे चुके हैं आप लोग, right? So CAT क्यों दिया आपने? To get into one nice institution and of course the highest LPA. ये क्या होता है? पूरा फुल फॉर्म पता है इस LPA मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है. हाईएस्ट लाख पर एनम, हाईएस्ट सीपीए क्यों नहीं बोला आपने? करोड़ पर. नो, एस्पिरेशन इज ओनली हियर. ओके, सो अगर हाईएस्ट एलपीए की बात करते हैं तो कितना बात करते हैं आप? 20+ बस. दिस इज व्हाट यू एस्पायर? यस सर, ओनली 20 लाख. नो, सम अदर एस्पिरेशन इज देयर. कुछ और बात बताएगा कोई? कितना पगार चाहिए आपको? हाउ मच यू एक्सपेक्ट? कम ऑन, दिस इज द प्रोग्राम वेयर वी डिस्कस. दिस इज नॉट ए क्लासरूम सेशन टुडे. आज हम आपको बैठ के बताने वाले नहीं है ऐसे कि क्या करना है. So it is you who has to decide what next your post graduation is, what company you are planning to go for, right? Yes. So what we talk about placement. When you do MBA, do you really feel that सबसे पहले placement मिलेगा? Yes, सबसे पहले placement मिल जाएगा और पढ़ाएंगे बाद में आपको. पढ़ाई के बाद नहीं लगेगा ना सर. तो जैसे ही हम MBA कॉलेज में जाएंगे तो क्या कंपनी आएगी और बोलेगी ओके यू हैव entered into this college and I'll offer you this placement. It will not happen. What will happen? 2 साल पहले हम MBA करने वाले हैं. MBA में कितना पेपर पढ़ने वाले हैं नहीं पता है आपको. पता है आपको? नहीं पता है. कौन पढ़ाने वाले हैं आपको? नहीं पता है. क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं आप? नहीं पता है. किसके साथ पढ़ने वाले हैं आप? नहीं पता है. आपको क्या पता है? मुझे पगार कितना चाहिए. So the first exercise is not about the placement. The first exercise is about how do you groom yourself in 2 years. Right, sir? All of you going for the MBA? अब बात करते हैं पगार की. जब 20 लाख हम बात कर रहे थे, so कुछ और भी पैकेज आपके दिमाग में है? अब 10, ये कम हो गए. कुछ और बात करें हम लोग? कुछ और पैकेज की बात करते हैं हम लोग? How much you paid in CAT? How much you expect?
सर मैं पैकेज एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करती. मैं ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि कुछ और मैं और लोग को एम्प्लॉय कर सकूँ. ऑलरेडी मैं अभी डाटा.
ओह, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. वेरी गुड. सो क्या दिमाग में है?
सर अभी ऐसा कुछ प्लान नहीं है. जैसा एक्सपोजर मिलेगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग.
सो कॉलेज को आप बोलेंगे कि सर मुझे प्लेसमेंट नहीं चाहिए. आई विल स्टार्ट माय ओन जर्नी ऑफ द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप.
ड्यूरिंग दिस 2 years I will decide.
During the 2 years of you will decide. Very good. बैठिए. Some other will tell me what package.
That you need to know when you go in for management education. पहली बात आपको जानने की जरूरत है कि MBA unlike other disciplines ये मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी है. MBA प्रोग्राम मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी है. यहाँ आपको मैथ्स भी पढ़ना है, इकोनॉमिक्स भी पढ़ना है, इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन भी जानना है. तो ये मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी है. इसलिए घबरा मत जाइए कि इतनी चीज़ें आपको जानना है. That is one thing which you should know before you enter a management school or business school. And second thing is, which is very important, कि दूसरे डिसिप्लिन में शायद थियोरीज समझ लें तो काफ़ी होता है. लेकिन यहाँ पर कोई भी थियोरीज जो आप पढ़ेंगे इन डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स, उस थियोरी को आप कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे, ग्राउंड लेवल प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे आप सॉल्व करेंगे इस थियोरी को अप्लाई करके.
New mono ultrasilico microscopic volcanochromasis. Flossy porcelain New mono ultrasilico microscopic volcanochromasis. Is that good communication? Flossy porcelain helification. किसी को समझ में आया? You can be a great. Is that good communication? A pathetic communicator. Please keep that in mind. You can be a great speaker, average speaker, but a pathetic communicator. Please keep that in mind. Communication is a and you can get average speaker of your personality. Don't worry. Communication is a very important component of your personality. Don't worry. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि जाके डॉक्टर के पास जाओ and get yourself converted into a Hrithik Roshan or a Katrina Kaif. No. But whatever you are, develop yourself, develop your personality, so that when you enter the room, there should be a wow factor among the interviewers, among the people sitting. That wow factor is very, very important. Last but not the least, develop yourself in a way so that people start get awestruck by your presence, and you should be able to generate that vibe. That is very important for a graduate.
Candidates to have, right? So within 2 years of time. My only answer is for this, since I teach organizational behavior for MBA students, my only answer is attitude. I think if you have the right attitude, companies can mold you the way they want it. But if you don't have that attitude, probably I can't do anything. So I know there are a lot of other professors who agree with this point. They would also add on that there are other skills which are very important. But what I feel, and I also tell this in the class as well, that you should have a right attitude as a person, right? So if you are able to, what is an attitude? Attitude is how someone behaves, right? So what is your behavior? What are your actions? So if you don't have this, of course, I cannot change that. So if you have right attitude, that's more than enough, is what my take.
Attitude, and of course he's mentioned that the companies look at whether you're able to be molded. So it's that the companies or the recruiters look into you whether whether you're moldable, right? So they want the person to work as per their wishes. You have all the abilities. Fine. Recruiters, they check the content, how smart you are, how capable you are, but the ultimate thing is that they want you to work for them. So will you be capable of working for them or not, right? So do you have the capacity to build something for the organization, right? So that is something that the organizations are looking for in the right candidate. Skills are everywhere, of course, because I somewhere match with the field. He is from OBR, from Psychology and Communication. So somewhere the answers would be matching. So whether you are there for the organizers, or for the organization to work for them. Right, of course, you have to grow for the organization, not growing for yourself, but growing along with the growth of the organization. That is what the recruiter will be looking into you. Apart from the...
So, some points which is very, very important. For example, yes, as you rightly said, what are the skill sets are required. Now, whether those skill sets are offered by the business schools or not, whatever you have chosen. So, there is 3 things you have to check there. For example, apart from the selection process, what I had mentioned. The first skill set what an organization look for is your core and business analytics skills. So when a company comes, whatever may be their rounds of interviews or selection process and all, they check whether the candidates have knowledge about all the functional areas, right? Do they have idea about management as a whole, how it functions and all? Then they check today, which is very, very important, which we all of us need to ponder upon, because earlier the skills were whatever they
faculty fraternity. I'm sure all of them would be learning something or the other. In fact, okay, that's the level of learning happens this side of the table. In fact, so what I wanted to say is that we should all be lifelong learners. Learning should never stop. Okay, and the second point is that some student, the same student, I think she said she learned C, C++ something and she could not apply. Right? Maybe she must be applying Python or something else. Let's assume. Okay. I'm sure you will not be applying C++ directly. But what about the concepts that you have learned in C, C++, which you are applying in Python? I'm sure you will be doing the same thing there. For loop, correct? All those things. So it's applicable there.
And the kind of internships that are paid, the live projects which are paid for you. जब तक आप लाइव प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं जाएंगे, जब तक आप फ्लोर पर नहीं जाएंगे, जब तक आप इंडस्ट्री मेंटोरशिप नहीं सीखेंगे along with professors mentorship, तब तक वो बैलेंस नहीं होगा. So we take care of that as well, that aspect as well. That आपको पता हो कि इंडस्ट्री में कैसे आपको कंडक्ट करना है. टाइमलाइंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. डेडलाइंस को समझना बहुत जरूरी है.
Integrate technology in every course of management. Okay, so your techno-commercial skill will be improved to 100%. So CSD department will improve your which skill? Soft skill. IT, management, AI, decision science, digital, and management departments, they are going to develop your techno-commercial skill. So you are employable. Now, third and most important thing is finally placement employability. Okay, the college can bring companies to campus.
Skill requirement, communication skill requirement. What do you think, according to you, a good communication is? I need one answer. What do you think, according to you, a good communication skill is? How can one say that, okay, you are the person who has good communication skill?
A very good English? Yes or no?
So, are there 100% of the people in India who can communicate in English? So, basically, the meaning of good communication is conveying a message to maybe more people, to someone else. Conveying that message is very important, be it in any language. Why do we focus on English? Is because we are going to be management professionals and all the businesses happen mostly in English language, right? That is the idea. That is the idea of good communication skill. So soft skill and communication skill, even if you want to take a break of 1 year and then try for next year, make sure in that 1 year with your aptitude exam preparation, you also go for improving these skills, because this is something they have your resume when you complete your MBA also, and when you sit for the interviews, they have your CV. But what they are going to judge you based on is your knowledge and how good you portray that knowledge sitting in front of a recruiter. So portraying that knowledge needs good communication skill. That is just the understanding, and make the other people understand that what you're trying to say.